Hello and welcome back to the Misery channel. Wait, no, take two. Hello and welcome back to the Car Ghost channel. I hope you're having a beautiful day. Even though it's sunny, I am not, because Slate is dead again. And I just came back from a beautiful sunny vacation and had to spend 3 hours last night in the car in freezing temperatures. There he is. Putting it mildly, I really want to sit right here and kick it like a million times, but I did call a tow truck, so we're gonna try and tow it today. Let's wait for the tow truck. So, just a little update. Finally, the car that was in front of Slate moved, so the truck can actually pick the car. And mind you, the best way to keep the spot is a bright red umbrella. Alright, I'm a bit frustrated. It is now noon and I've been waiting for the tow truck since 10 a.m. Also waited for it 3 hours yesterday and it couldn't pick up the car because there is another car in this space. Now I've been holding a red umbrella for the past 2 hours, holding this spot, and I can't even begin to imagine the things that the people around are thinking. I even see them from time to time popping their heads through the windows. But the tow truck is now 5 minutes away. I got the phone call and I can't wait for this to be over. Let's get the car on the tow truck and then I'll see you when I get to the Mercedes-Benz dealership. And here is the truck coming up. So after the 2 hours, two tow trucks came. One white and one black. Both kind of incompetent. They didn't know how to put my car in neutral, even though... never mind. To put the Mercedes in neutral, you just leave the sleeve right here. There is a button you release and then you can put it into neutral. They didn't know that. I'm surprised they're towing cars for a living and they don't know it. But anyway, I am the driver of this car that is now on a tow truck, and we're going to Silverstar Mercedes to see if we can sort the problem out without paying any money, because quite frankly, it's the same problem as 4 months ago, and I paid them $1,700. Okay, so the car got dropped off at Mercedes-Benz Silverstar again, so they can diagnose the problem. And if it's the same thing, it won't cost me anything to, same like the last time, it won't cost me anything to fix the car. But the small glimmer of happiness through this misery is this. It's another C300 that we have as a loaner car for the period of time that car is going to be in Silverstar, and it's a navy blue color, which is kind of nice, and a white interior. It's good. On this note, we're going to end today's video because there is not much we can discuss about the car until they diagnose it. But if you liked this little episode and update on Slate and how dead he is, hit the thumbs up. You know you want it. Subscribe for a lot more videos to come. Bye.